This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
This season of Road Warriors, we have 12 teams that go head to head. Points accumulate over 11 rounds. Have you got what it takes to become the champion?
Road Warrior.
Battle 1, we see Leafer 12 and Blackjack going up against Jay Woodsy Woods in Black Fire. 84 grams versus 78. Both these cars and teams are on 4 points. This is going to be a do or die battle tonight, folks. Let's get into this. Even though they're on 4 points, they're still very close to the leaders. We got green, we're off and racing. Woodsy's out front. He takes that first turn easily. Beautiful line. Leafer 12's trying to play catch up. Jay Woodsy Woods gets the first win tonight in a 10. Bit of a slow time. I'm very surprised with these times some of these cars are doing, considering how pumped up these vehicles are. Taking this back to the start and have a look. Woodsy just crosses in front of Leafer. He gains momentum coming out of turn 1, and it's Leafer trying to play catch up all the way through to the finish line. Here we go, race 2, cars swap lanes. Black Fire's got the inside. He's got a nice push out of turn 1, but it's Leafer 12 putting his foot to the floor. Look at that beautiful line, and it's an easy win in the 9.50. It's good to see BLUELINE racing with Leafer behind the wheel and the Blackjack finally get a win early in the piece. Let's go to the replay. You can see this little push here. Nice little battle right there, and it's an easy victory, as I said, getting across the line with Blackjack. Here we go, race 3, all tied up. They got the green, and there's Blackjack right out front. Look at that manoeuvre, he just swings in front of Leafer. He's really got the pace here, almost loses it out of turn 2, and crosses for a 10.540. That's what we paid our admission for, to come and see fantastic racing like this. Leafer 12, driving for BLUELINE Racing, was right on the heels of the Blackjack all the way. Just couldn't quite swing past him. Jay Woodsy Woods and the Blackjack taking out the first battle. The last time these two raced against each other head to head was in the finals of Road Warriors Season 1. My advice, go check that out. Scoop Adams and the Royale with Cheese going up against REDLINE Savage Inc. and Semi Psycho. 92 grams versus 102 grams. Scoop Adams has the inside and they're off and racing. Scoop Adams right out front. Oh, got a beautiful line. Big 360. Still holds the pace. And he gets over in a 9.50. The Royale with Cheese with Scoop behind the wheel. REDLINE Savage Inc. a bit sluggish down the back. And they both spin and hit that sidewall. But it's Scoop Adams holding the lead. Race 2, Semi Psycho. REDLINE Savage Inc.'s got the inside. Here he goes, he pushes in front of Scoop Adams. A perfect line out of that turn 1. Oh, it goes down low. Oh, what a beautiful style we can see here tonight, ladies and gentlemen. He crosses in a 10-seconder. It's slow, but he gets across and gets a win. Let's look at this replay because there was a bit of pushing and shoving. Look at Semi Psycho pushes right into the Scoop and pushes him into the top rail. No wonder he had no power to get any further. Cars on the start gate, all tied up. REDLINE has the inside. They got the green and they're off and racing, and Scoop Adams goes out hard and fast. I think he's got this one completely sewn up. Beautiful line. Here comes a Semi Psycho. What a fantastic overtake that was. Nice stylish driving right here out of battle 2. REDLINE Savage Inc. and the Semi Psycho takes out the battle in a 2-1. Let's just go back and check this out. Scoop Adams just sliding a bit too much and just left that wide open for REDLINE in Semi Psycho. And there's Scoop struggling to get across the line. Po'boy Racing and that Nitro Door Slammer. He's currently on 5 points and in 3rd place. Going up against Hot Car Track, running last in 2 points. He's in the FM Rover. Can he redeem himself in Battle 3? Road Warriors. He struggled week after week, and tonight be the night he gets across the line and gets another win. He's going out front fast, but he gets hung up there by Po'boy Racing. Hot Car Track's out of the picture again. He's trying to make up some time. An easy victory there for Po'boy. The Nitro Door Slammer with a 10.52. The Nitro Door Slammer is a very well-built vehicle and really swings around this track. Hot Car Track needs to get early speed out of that start gate to get through that first turn. I think once he does that, he'll be well on his way for a win. Cars swap and it's Hot Car Track on the inside. The Nitro door slammer right out fast and high. Hot Car Track's gone doing his big 360 spins. Po' Boy racing across in the 9.14. That was a very easy battle win for Po' Boy, driving the Nitro door slammer out of battle 3. He hits that top up there and you can see Hot Car Track stuck just out of turn 2. Po' Boy taking out battle 3. This battle should be very interesting. We have two Kiwis going head to head. Superman Dion going up against Jazzy Jensen. Jonah versus the Nissan Skyline, 86 grams versus 78. Jazzy Jensen has come off a recent win. Same with Superman Dion. This will be very interesting tonight. This is going to be too hard to call this race, and it's Superman Dion first out. Swings out of turn 1. Jazzy Jensen's going in backwards. He's finished, and it's Superman Dion and Jonah. 9.98. Mate against mate all the way from New Zealand. Both these guys are fantastic drivers, excellent teams, and true lovers of diecast racing. Jazzy Jensen just hits the outside wall. When that happens, that sets you up for complete failure out of that turn 1. Heading into race 2, car swap. Jazzy Jensen has the inside. Jazzy's out front hard, hits into Superman Dion. A virtual replay of race 1. Jazzy Jensen swinging around that turn 2. What a good looking drive that was. And Superman Dion coming in with that late charge. Both drivers and cars are really pushing their vehicles to the limit. This season of Road Warriors is a real battle for builders of diecast racing. I encourage you to build yourself a custom and enter into future Road Warriors. All tied up, battle 4. This is the decider, folks. Jazzy Jensen by a nose. Out of turn 1, he gets a nudge by Superman Dion, which has pushed him along. Oh, it's Big Savage blocking and a sensational win across the line for Jazzy Jensen. The rules state on Mount Western Raceway that a vehicle, in order for it to win, has to have all wheels cross that orange line. And Jazzy Jensen's done that with a bit of help from his mate Superman Dion. Hot Wheel boys helping each other out for a win. Jazzy Jensen, driving for NZ Racing, wins battle 4. Sess is driving in the Autometer for Metal Mania 3D. This car's weighing in at 78 grams. Yo Jimbo is driving in the Murder 8, weighing 101 grams, and he's driving for Super Zero Racing. This is anyone's race tonight. I can't pick this, but being an Aussie, I'm going to go for Sess from Tasmania. Yo Jimbo pushing down the back very hard. Sess has just overtaken him. He's got a perfect line. Go Sess, you're rocking it. And she crosses in a 9.560. A late hit there by Yo Jimbo in that Murder 8. Let's take this replay almost back to the start. You can see a little push there by Sess, pushing the Murder 8 into that top rail. That's a new thing these drivers seem to be doing. They must have been watching lots of replays on YouTube. The Murder 8 takes the inside, cars always swap on the second race. And it's Sess pushes right out front fast. Beautiful line out of turn 1. Hits up high, hits the wall, and here she goes in 8.860, and she takes out battle 5. Being an Aussie, I love the Dados. What a good looking car that is, the Autometer. The Murder 8 struggling, not too sure what's going on again. We'll get the mechanics onto it this week and hopefully get a nice tune up for next week. Battle 6, this has come up quick tonight, folks. We have the Purple Haze, the Fractal Panda in 8 points, going up against Big Sam on 6 points. Big Sam's driving for Mark D of CRC Racing. The Fractal Panda in the Purple Haze is driving for Fractal Panda. I can't wait to see the outcome of tonight's race. We've got the green. It's neck and neck down the back. It's too close to call. Both cars are swinging as the Purple Haze comes out in front. Takes that corner. It's the NASCAR. Swings right past him in a 9.24. And a late charge by Purple Haze, the Fractal Panda. Let's go back and have a look at this replay, ladies and gentlemen. Just when you think you know the outcome, right on that corner, the NASCAR with Big Sam sees the opportunity and gets the all-important win in Battle 6. The NASCAR's got the inside. The green's on. The NASCAR's out front hard. Goes up high. Pushes his foot down. Beautiful line out of turn 2, and he gets across, and an easy victory and he takes out a battle in battle 6. Just doing the sums in my head, now that win there by the NASCAR will put the NASCAR right in equal first place with the Purple Haze. Because this is a round robin event, this is the only time you'll see these guys race against each other unless they both make the finals in either round 11 or round 12. Congratulations to all teams racing tonight. First off, the fastest time tonight was held by the Autometer, Sess driving the Autometer, in an 8.860. Well done, not far off the track record. The Fractal, Panda and Redline Savaging and Big Sam in that NASCAR are tied for first place, and Hot Car Track is tailing it up with 2 points. These events don't happen without our sponsors, so go check them out on all their social media platforms, give them a thumbs up or make a comment down below.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom diecast racing.